Our planet is a world brimming with life in all its magnificent forms. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, Earth is alive with a dazzling array of creatures and landscapes, each more breathtaking than the last. From the smallest insect beneath a leaf whose delicate movements go unnoticed by most, to the great blue whale in the deep ocean, whose massive presence commands the sea, life is everywhere, thriving, adapting, and evolving. This diversity is not just beautiful, it's the very system that supports us all. Every species, no matter how small or large, plays a vital part in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. As dawn breaks, sunlight touches snowy peaks, filters through rainforests, and brings warmth to every corner of the globe, and sparkles on tranquil lakes, awakening the world to a new day full of promise. Every scene is part of a grand, interconnected story, where mountains, forests, rivers, and oceans are all linked in a delicate balance. Each animal, plant, and organism has a role in this intricate web of life, forming relationships that sustain and enrich the world around us. We too are woven into this web. Our actions, choices, and dreams are all part of nature's unfolding story. The sounds of nature, a chorus of frogs, the hum of bees, the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind, the call of a wolf, are the voices of a healthy planet, echoing through forests and across open plains. These are not just noises, they are the soundtrack of resilience and complexity, a living symphony that reminds us of nature's strength and fragility. We share this world and have a duty to protect it. Through our care and stewardship, we can help preserve its wonders for generations to come. Our connection to nature is deep, a sense of belonging to something greater. Walking through ancient woods or watching seabirds soar above crashing waves, we feel awe and peace, a reminder that we are part of this vast, beautiful world. This is the magic of our living planet, endless discovery, joy, and wisdom waiting to be found in every corner. The extraordinary variety of life is a treasure we must cherish, a legacy to protect and celebrate. Now, more than ever, we must strive to understand and protect it, learning from nature and working together to ensure its survival. Our future depends on it. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow, for ourselves and for all living things. Biodiversity is the total variety of life on Earth. It's every living thing, from towering redwoods to invisible microbes in the soil. This variety exists at several levels: species, genes, and ecosystems. Species diversity is the millions of different animals and plants, each unique and irreplaceable. Losing a species is like losing a masterpiece, weakening the whole fabric of life. Genetic diversity within species, like the many breeds of dogs, gives resilience to change. It's nature's insurance policy, allowing adaptation to new challenges. Ecosystem diversity, rainforests, deserts, reefs, provides homes and vital functions for the planet. Each ecosystem supports unique life and keeps our world stable. The rich variety of these systems working together creates a healthy planet. Biodiversity is the foundation of nature's strength. It's essential for all life, including our own. Every meal is a gift from the natural world, dependent on biodiversity. The food on our plates is the result of countless interactions between plants, animals, and the environment, all working together in harmony. Thousands of fruits, vegetables, and grains exist thanks to nature and generations of careful cultivation. Each variety tells a story of adaptation, resilience, and the wisdom of farmers who have nurtured them over centuries. Crop diversity is essential for nutrition and food security. It ensures that we have access to a wide range of flavors, nutrients, and options, making our diets healthier and more interesting. Relying on just a few crops makes us vulnerable to disease and disaster. When diversity is lost, a single threat can wipe out entire harvests, leaving communities at risk. Genetic diversity in crops acts as a buffer. Some resist drought, others pests. This variety is our insurance policy against the unpredictable challenges of climate and environment. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds fertilize a huge portion of our food. Without their tireless work, many of our favorite foods would simply disappear from our tables. Without them, harvests would plummet. The loss of pollinators would mean fewer fruits, vegetables, and seeds, threatening our food supply. Healthy soil full of worms and microbes nourishes plants. These tiny creatures break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and help crops grow strong and resilient. Natural pest controllers, spiders, ladybirds, birds of prey, keep crops safe. They reduce the need for chemicals, supporting a balanced ecosystem and healthier food. All these interactions create a stable, productive environment for farming. When nature thrives, so do our farms and our communities. Protecting biodiversity safeguards our food and our future. It's a responsibility we all share, for ourselves and for generations to come. When we lose it, we risk our own survival. The loss of biodiversity means the loss of options, resilience, and hope. Every bite we take is a reminder of nature's generosity. Each meal connects us to the living world and the delicate balance that sustains us. We must protect the foundation of our sustenance, honoring the diversity that feeds us and ensuring it endures for the future. Biodiversity gives us more than food. It provides clean water and life-saving medicines. Forests and wetlands act as natural water filters, preventing erosion and purifying water. These habitats are nature's water treatment plants, ensuring fresh water for all. The wild is also our pharmacy. Many modern medicines come from plants and animals: aspirin from willow bark, cancer drugs from rainforest plants. Nature holds countless cures. Every lost species could mean a lost cure. Destroying biodiversity is like tearing pages from a book of secrets we've barely begun to read. Protecting nature is protecting our health. The web of life shapes and regulates Earth's climate. Forests and oceans absorb carbon dioxide, helping keep our planet cool. The Amazon and boreal forests are the planet's lungs, storing carbon and generating rain. Oceans, with their phytoplankton, are massive carbon sinks. Destroying these systems releases carbon and disrupts weather, worsening climate change. As we lose biodiversity, climate impacts intensify, creating a dangerous feedback loop. Protecting and restoring forests, wetlands, and oceans is vital for climate stability. Nature is our greatest ally in the fight against climate change. Our future depends on healthy ecosystems. To understand what's at stake, look at nature's wonders. Rainforests teem with life. Monkeys, birds, insects, each playing a vital role. Some disperse seeds, others pollinate or recycle nutrients. Oceans hold coral reefs, nurseries for marine life, and barriers against storms. Even tiny creatures like bees are crucial, pollinating plants that feed us and sustain wild ecosystems. The decline of pollinators is a silent threat to nature and humanity. Great animals, elephants, wolves, whales, shape their environments as keystone species. Their loss unravels entire ecosystems. Every creature, big or small, matters. The health of our world depends on this intricate balance. Preserving these marvels is preserving the integrity of nature itself. Their survival is our survival. Nature's balance is delicate. Each species is part of a complex web. Predators, herbivores, and decomposers all play roles in ecosystem health. Diversity gives ecosystems resilience, allowing recovery from disturbances. But this web is fragile. Removing a species weakens the whole system. The loss of pollinators or top predators can trigger cascading effects. We're seeing these consequences worldwide as biodiversity declines. Simplifying ecosystems undermines the life support systems we depend on. Clean air, water, and climate stability are at risk. We are dismantling the very foundation of our own survival. Protecting diversity is protecting ourselves. We are living through a crisis of unprecedented biodiversity loss. Species are vanishing at alarming rates, driven by human activity. Habitat destruction, pollution, and invasive species are pushing wildlife to the brink. Oceans suffer from overfishing and pollution. Land animals face poaching and shrinking habitats. It's not just iconic animals. Countless insects, birds, and plants are disappearing. Endangered species are warnings. Their decline signals ecosystem distress. Losing species means losing vital roles, genetic resources, and nature's resilience. The consequences are real: less stable climate, fewer medicines, and diminished prosperity. We are eroding the foundations of our well-being. The world grows poorer and more dangerous as life's chorus fades. The challenge before us is immense, and at times, it can feel overwhelming. Yet, hope remains, rooted in our collective ability to make a difference. We are the first generation to fully grasp the scale of the damage we've caused, and perhaps the last with the power to change course before it's too late. The future of life on Earth truly rests in our hands. Every action we take, no matter how small, shapes the world we leave behind. We must act now, with urgency and determination, to protect and restore the rich biodiversity that sustains us all. Global cooperation is essential. Expanding protected areas, tackling deforestation, pollution, and unsustainable consumption. Only by working together can we address these interconnected challenges. Reforming our food systems and embracing clean, renewable energy are vital steps toward a more sustainable future for all. But real, lasting change begins at home and within our communities, where our daily choices and actions set powerful examples. We can reduce, reuse, and recycle, support sustainable products, create habitats for local wildlife, and encourage others to do the same. Our voices matter. When we educate, advocate, and inspire others, we multiply our impact and help build a movement for change. We must learn to see ourselves as part of nature, not apart from it, connected to every living thing on this planet. This is our opportunity to build a future where people and nature not only coexist, but truly thrive together in harmony. Let's embrace this challenge with hope, courage, and a sense of shared responsibility for the generations to come. The living planet is our only home, a place of wonder, beauty, and life. Its future, and ours, depends on what we choose to do next, together.